आ रहा हूँ मैं? हाँ ठीक है. Hello, today we will talk about colors and how at Apricot we get the perfect color each time and every time. So for the every shirt that we have to make, we make these dies and every collar is cut perfectly to shape and size according to the pattern which is made. So for one style of shirt, for example, we have a die which is made from a very sharp metal, and from this we cut the collar pasting fusing which is over here. That is what we will show you right now. And this die is made for different sizes. For small sizes there is a separate die. For big sizes there is a separate die. Similarly, this die is made for the cuffs. इसके दो दिखाना. So this one die is for the cuff of one particular size. This is for left hand. This is for right hand. अब तो एक बार ये इसको रखो यहाँ पे. ये दे दो मुझे. अपनी कटिंग कर लो. Now he will show you how at Apricot we cut the cuffs and the collars to make the perfect shirt every time. इसे पास लिया उसको. निकाल के दिखाना मैं कोई बात ही. This is a safety built-in mechanism that the operator has to पकड़ो निकालो तुम लोग निकालो. That the operator has to put both his hands over here, one hand here, one hand here. Only then the machine will press it down to prevent his hand from getting crushed. हो गया. दिखाना मुझे प्लीज इसको. Now this is the collar, and if you look, we get perfect sharp edges here every time. And sometimes people cut it by hand and then they don't get these sharp edges. और काटो, और काटो. यही काटना होगा ना देखो, या नहीं? Now he is cutting one more and showing you. कोई बात नहीं, मैं रखता हूँ. तुम कर लेना. And this is the perfect fusing for the collar shape for this particular client. And in this case it is a single collar, so then you fold it and it comes out perfectly. And the tailor stitch along the edge of this. So once the collar fusing, the collar pasting is cut perfectly on the die, we bring it to this machine, and this is a very special Japanese machine. So this applies pressure and heat simultaneously. So this bonds the fusing, the collar interfusing, the lining to the shirt fabric or the collar fabric. And it when it fuses it to the shirt fabric, it fuses it perfectly, that it applies high pressure up to 2 bar pressure, and it applies up to 200 degrees centigrade to the collar pasting. So there are small glue spots on the collar fusing, and these get permanently pasted to the shirt fabric. So what happens, what the advantage of this is that when customers wash it, then there is no bubbling of the collar, and the collars stay perfect each time, every time, and that is very important. Most people don't have these specialized machines, and then they paste it with a normal iron, and that is very bad, because after a couple of washes there's bubbling on the collars, because there's puckering also on the collars, because you see that with washing wherever it is not pasted perfectly, the bubbling starts happening. So we have these specialized machines to cut the collar pasting and to fuse it perfectly. And after that also the checkers, they check it that each collar is perfect and there is no mistake, and only then it goes to production.